Imagine waking up to a universe where our sun is no longer the only star in the sky. What happens if another star collides with our sun? In the vast cosmic dance of the universe, stars often whirl in a delicate balance. But what if this balance is disrupted? The concept of stars colliding might seem like the stuff of science fiction, yet it's a rare but real possibility in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Every 10,000 years, across the galaxy, stars do collide, releasing unimaginable energy and reshaping their stellar neighborhoods. Consider a rogue star wandering too close to our solar system. Its gravitational pull could disrupt the orbits of planets, comets, and asteroids alike, potentially sending them hurtling towards Earth. The collision with our sun would not be a silent affair. It would be a cataclysmic explosion, outshining all other stars in the sky and heralding drastic changes for our solar system. Now, keep that image in mind as we explore the likelihood of this celestial phenomenon. Scene script. How often do stars collide, and what would be the consequences if one hit our sun? Imagine the vast expanse of the Milky Way, a galaxy teeming with billions of stars, each following its cosmic path. In this crowded celestial dance hall, stars occasionally brush past each other. Collisions, though rare on a human timescale, are not uncommon in the grand timeline of the universe. Every 10,000 years, somewhere in the galaxy, two stars might catastrophically merge. But what happens if one of these wandering stars sets its course towards our sun? The scenario is rare, but not impossible. In the cosmic record books, there are instances where stars have veered dangerously close. Take, for instance, the Shoals Star, which passed through the outer reaches of our solar system about 70,000 years ago. This close encounter, had it been closer, could have had gravitational effects, potentially stirring up the Oort cloud and sending comets showering into the inner solar system. Now let's consider a direct hit. A rogue star colliding with our sun would unleash energy on an unimaginable scale. The resulting explosion would likely obliterate the inner planets, including Earth, and send shockwaves hurtling through the solar system. The aftermath would see the birth of a new stellar object, forged from the remnants of both stars. The probability of such an event in the near future is exceedingly low. Astronomical observations and calculations tell us that the likelihood of a star disturbing our solar neighborhood within the next million years remains a small fraction of a percent. However, the universe is ancient and vast, and over astronomical timescales, improbable does not mean impossible. While the odds are slim, the consequences would indeed be dire. Let's delve deeper into one such potential intruder. This exploration into the potential cosmic dangers underscores the delicate balance of our existence in the universe. As we peer into the heavens, we are reminded of both the beauty and the peril that dance silently in the cosmic night. Meet Gliese 710, a seemingly innocuous star with a potentially lethal trajectory. Gliese 710 isn't your average celestial wanderer. This star, possessing 60% of the mass of our sun, is currently hurtling through space on a path that could bring it alarmingly close to our solar system. Imagine the drama of a star, a fiery ball of gas much like our own sun entering our cosmic neighborhood. Now, projections suggest that Gliese 710 could make its grand disruptive entrance into our solar system in about 1.3 million years. While this might seem like a distant future, in the cosmic scale, it's merely a blink of an eye. As it approaches, its gravitational pull could stir the distant Oort cloud, a shell of icy objects at the edge of our solar system, sending comets and asteroids hurtling towards the inner planets, including Earth. The influence of Gliese 710 doesn't end there. Its trajectory could also cause significant perturbations in the paths of these icy bodies, potentially leading to an increase in comet impacts on Earth. Such an event could have devastating consequences for our planet, disrupting ecosystems and possibly triggering global catastrophes reminiscent of past mass extinctions. What's more, the approach of Gliese 710 could have other, less predictable effects. Its mass and velocity might alter the very structure of our solar system, changing the orbits of planets or even ejecting some from their paths around the sun. The chaos introduced by such a stellar visitor could rewrite the future of our solar system. With Gliese 710 on a possible collision path, the stakes are high. But what exactly would happen to our planet? This question looms large as we consider the broader impacts of such close encounters in the cosmic theater. As we gaze into the night sky, the The stories written in the stars are not just tales of creation and beauty, but also narratives of chaos and potential destruction. If Gliese 710 gets cozy with our sun, what happens to Earth? The very thought sends shivers down the spine of any astrophysicist, and for good reason. As this rogue star inches closer, its vast gravitational pull could start to tug on our planet in unprecedented ways. Imagine Earth, our blue and green sanctuary, being pulled out of its cozy orbit. This wouldn't just be a slight nudge, we're talking about a potential catastrophic orbital disruption. The delicate balance that allows for our seasons and supports life could be thrown into chaos. Winters could stretch longer, summers could become scorching periods of unbearable heat, or we might even spiral out into the cold, dark reaches of space. But the gravitational effects are just the beginning. The thermal influence of a star encroaching on our solar system could lead to extreme climate changes. Picture this. As Gliese 710 approaches, the increased solar activity and radiation could lead to severe environmental upheavals. Oceans might begin to boil, and our atmosphere could thin, exposing all life to harsh cosmic radiation. This scenario, while distant, is a vivid reminder of the precariousness of our existence in the cosmos. The impact would be nothing short of apocalyptic, but it's not just rogue stars we need to worry about. Beyond our solar neighborhood, the universe is staging some of the most powerful events known. Imagine two neutron stars, each with a mass greater than that of our sun but squeezed into a sphere just about 12 miles in diameter. Now picture these cosmic titans spiraling towards each other at a fraction of the speed of light. The collision results in a cataclysmic kaboom, radiating more energy in a few moments than our sun will emit in its entire 10 billion-year lifespan. These neutron-star mergers are not just spectacular shows of cosmic fireworks, they are also key players in the universe's grand design. The aftermath of these collisions is often a newly formed black hole, a region in space where gravity pulls so strongly that not even light can escape its grasp. These events are so intense that they warp the very fabric of space-time, sending ripples across the cosmos. These are what we call gravitational waves. The impacts of these phenomena are monumental. For instance, gamma-ray bursts, the universe's most powerful explosions, can release as much energy in a few seconds as the sun does over its entire lifetime. These bursts are thought to be caused primarily by such stellar collisions and can affect planets light years away. These cosmic giants remind us of the universe's volatile nature. Yet there's an even bigger shakeup coming our way. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is on a collision course with Andromeda. What happens next? In about 4 billion years, these two galaxies will begin their dramatic dance, ultimately merging into a single, larger galaxy. This colossal event, though seemingly violent, is more like a graceful ballet of stars, largely missing each other due to the vast distances between them. As the Milky Way and Andromeda come together, their gravitational forces will pull at each other, warping their shapes and triggering new star formations. This process, while disruptive, is unlikely to result in direct collisions between most stars, including our sun. However, the solar system could still experience significant changes. It might be tossed into a new region of the resulting galaxy, or could even be ejected into space. Such changes could dramatically alter the night sky as seen from Earth, with new constellations and perhaps even new celestial neighbors. This future cosmic merger could redefine our night sky and the structure of our galactic neighborhood. As we gaze up at the stars, we're reminded of both the beauty and the peril of the universe. Today, we've traversed the cosmic landscape of what might happen if another star collided with our sun. From the awe-inspiring yet terrifying prospect of stellar collisions every 10,000 years to the specific threat posed by the approach of Gliese 710, each scenario unfolds a story of cosmic importance. We've explored the catastrophic potential impacts on our solar system, from disruptive encounters with the Oort cloud to the ultimate fate of Earth under the influence of another star's gravity. The universe has shown us time and again, through the dramatic events of neutron stars colliding and black holes forming, that it is both a creator and a destroyer. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, such events are not just possibilities, but are realities that occur across the vast expanses of space. Though star collisions are rare, their majesty and destructiveness captivate and caution us, reminding us of our place in the cosmos.